Oh, hello. Thank you for arriving on such sudden notice. If you're anything like me, you've been watching the news lately, and you've been saying to yourself, what in blazes is going on? You look out there, there's riots, and there's pandemics, and there's blazes, and it's just too much. It makes the mind after a while just go tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock. I'm a mad clock. Well, instead of blowing up, I thought what we should rather do is just have a nice, jolly, good sing-along. The whole world over, I welcome you all to my little parlour here, and I'd like to play you a standard. This is from way back in the year 2020, and my old granddad used to play this on the ivories, and yes, I'm giving away my age. This is a very old song from 2020. Perhaps you know it, perhaps you're old enough to remember this, and if you're at home anywhere in the world and you want to join along, I'm sure you'll know the chorus. Please do join in. Here we go. I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal. I can't breathe, look at me, I have to wear a mask, you see. I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal. When it's time to get food, I always have to join a queue. I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal. I try to see what's going on, but Google search results are gone. I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal. Gone are the days of the gods of your youth, painting prose and poetry and recourse to the truth. Sad is the earthling who without a screen must dwell. Computers make things equal, even heaven, even hell, 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 hell. I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal. We must believe in what they say. They unveiled a new hashtag today. I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal. Short film made with heartfelt tears, how lockdown affects puppeteers. I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal. Tea time speech made by the Queen tells us to stay in quarantine. I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal. Light a flame for those before who bravely their own thoughts explored, when God to us did elevate our minds to such exalted states. From such burden now we're freed of righteous and unrighteous deeds. The present time is good enough, the past is inessential stuff. Yeah, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal. Don't mention that you smell a rat who wants to be a tinfoil hat. I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal. Cummings test his eyes are fine by driving to GlaxoSmithKline. I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal. Who runs the world? Let's take a look in Jeffrey Epstein's contact book. I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal. Education ministers, tablets they administer, but if they knew about these tools, would they have had them in the schools? The chimney sweepers of today shut off from the sun's bright ray, not bricks and soot and fireplace, but iPads shoved in baby's face, baby's face, baby's face, baby's face. I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal. Take it from me, technology can produce an app that will set us free, cause I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal. AI in your living room, a priest giving mass live on Zoom. I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal. Fake accounts and astroturf, the techno creeps rule planet Earth. I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal. Yeah, gone are the days of the gods of your youth, painting prose and poetry and recourse to the true. Oh. Sad is the earthling who without a screen must dwell. Computers make things equal, even heaven, even hell, 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 hell. I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal. Grandma got hit by a bus, they said it was coronavirus. Yeah, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal. Mickey slit his own dear throat, but COVID-19 is what they wrote. I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal, I'm the new normal. They came to my house, I let them in. They found coronavirus in my biscuit tin. I'm the new normal, because the death fake accounts and astroturf, the techno creeps on planet Earth. I'm the new normal, we're the new normal. I'm the new normal, we're the new normal. And we're all in this thing together, and we'll never get out. Thank you. I'll be at the Barn Swan Thursday through Friday, and then catch me at the Cutlery and 8. Friday and Saturday, Zoom and Skype are where I am, and Thursday, if you like pina colada, why not join me for a tropical night of fun, featuring Caribbean Johnny and the Beat Bop Boys.